let's ask my kids, what are some things that Miss Shepherd always says in class? Y'all ready for this? Tell me something I always say.
Stick book in your ears.
All right, tell me something I say.
Oh!
When do I say that?
When the class is too loud and you want it to be quiet.
All right, ready? Tell me something I say.
Boom shakalaka.
Tell me one thing I say.
Mind blown.
Mind blown. Tell me one thing I say in class. Shamalama ding dong. Andrew. What do I say?
Goodness no.
Tell me one thing I say in class.
Mercy said no.
Mercy said no. You're right. Tell me one thing I say.
A joke time.
A joke time. That's when I'm giving my jokes. Yes. Talk to me.
Praise the Lord. Oh, my soul.
Talk to me. What do I say?
Let's go, peeps.
Let's go, peeps. Mm-hmm. Andrew. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Tell me one thing that I say.
You ate that up.
How does Miss Shepherd say your name when we're doing attendance? Go.
Kaka.
How do I say your name when we do attendance?
Roboson. Sunny Roboson.
Robertson. How do I say your name when I do the attendance?
Miaja.
Major. How do I say your name when we're doing attendance?
Mago.
Margo. How do I say your name in patois? The last name?
Thomas.
Thomas. Ashan Thomas. How do I say your name? Montress. How do I say your name, baby?
Kingaling.
King-a-ling-a-ling. How do I say your name?
Isaac.
Isaac. As I do. As I really do. Isaac.